Hi everyone. Joanna from How to Crypto here. In today's how-to tutorial, I will be showing you how to prepare for the arrival of your Ledger device. Feel free to press the pause button throughout the tutorial if you need more time to follow along. We hope you find this video helpful. Now let's begin. After completing your Ledger purchase, you will be sent an email confirmation. You can review your order there. In that email, Ledger provides 2 steps to follow before receiving your Ledger device. The first step is a link to a YouTube playlist Ledger created. You can access this link under Step 1 in the description below. This playlist contains videos about what to expect when receiving your Ledger device. Some of them pertain strictly to the Ledger Nano X, but most of them are beneficial for both device owners to watch. We have also linked Ledger's YouTube channel under related links in the description below for further content. The second step is a link to the Ledger app website. You can access this link under Step 2 in the description below. This website contains a YouTube video introducing the Ledger app. More importantly, there is an orange button to download the Ledger app on the computer for Windows, Mac, and Linux, as well as a QR code to download the Ledger app on mobile. The QR code is compatible with iOS and Android devices. How to Crypto has tutorials on how to download and install the Ledger app on the computer for Mac and on mobile for iOS. Stay tuned for future tutorials on how to download the Windows, Linux, and Android apps. Ledger's contact information is provided in the email if you have any questions pertaining to your order. Ledger will also send you emails to update you on the delivery status of your order. You can unsubscribe from those, but they are helpful to know when you can anticipate the arrival of your product. And that's it. You are officially prepared for the arrival of your Ledger device. Leave your requests for future tutorials in the comments below.